Newspapers. Look at that. Six boxes to go.
It's good knife. Just pointed at the table and jumps off the box.
Yep. Okay. This is interesting. Fisk. Does that ever ring a bell in an old photography world?
No.
Newspapers. Stamps. Pencils. Huh. Blue chip. Sports stuff. Budweiser. School day treasures. Look at that shit. Okay, they decided to take a photo of a skunk. You guys see that? Oh, it's a dead skunk. That's a big skunk too. And it says skunk 1930.
That's funny.
Sports outfits, a baseball game. It's a cool little album. Like he's all trying to be frisky. He's like, hey, look at me. I got my swimsuit pulled down. Weirdo.
Back in 1930, probably was.
Yeah.
Him and Dean Martin.
Look at that dog.
Elvis.
It's a lot more ephemera.
That's great.
Ooh, look, I'm breaking everything, Jack.
Ephemera's great.
It's not when you break it.
Yeah.
Where do you see something good? That doesn't look good, Jack.
Come on.
No.
Always good to me.
Ricky Henderson. Look at that. It's been taped heavily. $18.93.
Wow.
Volume 2.
Soldiers in the Civil War.
What's that worth, Shaq?
Wow. I don't know.
Oh. Alright.
I think that's good though.
Here we have Volume 1.
It's at 94 in the papers. Oh, Volume 1 and Volume 2. Nice.
Edition's rough. They probably read it a lot. I think they probably looked at it a lot in the last 127 years.
Interesting books.
That one said Frank. This one.
Yeah,
Well.
all over the good books. I'm just kidding.
Man.
That was not.
just
Can you
got
put
Corona.
those in
Just got Corona.
the good book box? It's not what I expect to find in a Makita case, right?
No.
Is machine. That's G.I. Joe. Interesting. I've never found an original G.I. Joe. Can you see if you find the name on
Oh,
there?
you make me pull his pants down? Is that what?
Copyright 1964. That's
Wow,
the
there's
real.
original handbook for it, 1964. It's all uniform and everything.
He's not anatomically correct, but I think that's the original. See that?
Oh, look at that. It's graduation sash.
1964 is the copyright.
55 years old.
Oh, look at this.
There's his whole outfit brand new.
Oh, wow. Huh.
That's a few bucks right there.
Look at the scar.
Oh yeah, he's been in war. That's G.I. Joe don't play around. Look at that.
Ooh, these bars.
The Civil War outfit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For G.I. Joe.
What would you speculate that's worth, Jack?
I have no clue. I've also never found one of those.
Where'd you find it? Right there.
Yeah.
It's cracked.
Well, that's
It's in its
what
crack.
God did to him, so that's what God gave us all right around that area.
True that. We'll do like a 2-hour-long special. Season finale. Okay. Lift that lid up. Just want to see it though. Yeah, it's just regular cards. Not too impressive. You're right, we have 4 boxes left.
Right.
Which one would you guys pick? I think it's the first box probably put in, right? It's the first thing they put in. I'm talking to the boxes. They make a better conversation than you, Uncle Mike.
I know you are. Good.
Joy.
It's 1919 on that.
Paper.
It's a shirt. It could be Harley Davidson. You got some of the motorcycles.
Royal Dalton, China. That white pattern. So
We're going to the dumps.
Everything on there, yeah.
Hey,
Some old books and stuff on
I know,
there.
I saw those. Is that cool for you?
Oh, totally. No, but literally everything on the trailer is going to dump.
Alright.
All better.
I don't know. I'm not impressed to see any of these.
You what?
I'm not impressed to seeing any of them. That one says books. Bottom one says glass.
Oh, goodness. Are you recording this?
Yeah.
Ah! Books.
Could be coin books, right?
I gave your card out. I decided, you know, like,
Backgammon, huh?
kind of changing, you know. So, but still been going alright.
There you go.
So, yeah.
Alright.
So, yeah.
What is that?
But my nephew and I, you know, we just basically, you know,
Joe Montana.
if there's stuff that we can pick up, you know, I told him, we're going crazy. Check offer of and all this stuff, you know.
Yeah.
Because I'm a single mom.
That's alright.
And my mom, stays with my mom right now, so.
We found so many bank bags, but we have not found any.
We appreciate it too.
The Second Amendment ain't about duck hunting.
What is it about, Uncle Michael?
Or the real word. I figured one in the trailer.
Alright. Can we pull something out here? See if
Some of these books, the ones that Jack needs to go through, we should put the yearbook. It is a yearbook. Look at this.
that's a good one.
You know what I'm looking for?
Oh yeah?
Yes. Here's a yearbook, 1963. I know a couple of these people.
Statue of Liberty. Books. Zero token.
These ones go like $10. They're often out. Alex. Jack,
VHS tape.
Jack's Live.
Taxi Girls. Brandy
Yeah,
X.
that way, you know what I'm saying?
Well, those are those
I
good
wanna take-
movies.
if I can take some-
Come on, something exciting and good. I've been kind of sad today. The Friendly Village. I mean, that's cute, but it
Probably
doesn't,
the whole set.
doesn't scream $1,000.
Match that, Mike?
No. More of those, Jack.
That's good. Let me put those up. I'm gonna put those in the auction.
Sure.
That's good though.
Golf tournament 1958. Little Steinbach Air Base. It's kind of cool because it's military. Feel free to dig through some of these, Uncle Michael. Pull some out, look them in.
Bowl.
Thank you. You know, I don't want to look in this anymore. Oh, that's so cute. Look how happy that dog is.
What is it?
Or something.
Look at it. I'm gonna take it home.
Jack probably won't let you.
Oh,
One box left. Are you excited?
yes.
I'm not. It says glass on it.
Huh?
It says glass on it.
Oh. What
Yeah.
about the miter box? The
I don't
miter
know.
Make it better.
Maybe.
Keep hope alive.
Maybe. I was hoping the last box was going to be the coin box, you know?
Yeah.
I guess at some point he probably had to pawn some stuff for money, right? So he chose the coins. The gold, the silver.
It's glass.
It is, huh? Is there a silver set at the bottom of it?
No.
Give me that, Jack. Give me that.
Jack, let the box man
That's why I
get it.
make the money. I've seen you can handle it.
Yeah.
You coming?
Yeah, I'm filming.
Okay.
Not impressed. I'm kind of depressed today, Jack.
You gonna find the gold?
Well, yeah, you know, I was hoping
That's neat.
Yeah.
to find some really good treasures today. And yesterday was more exciting than today. Look at this.
Yeah, that's neat.
Bills.
Old coat.
That's the wrap, guys. Trailer's full. There's a lot of stuff in here. There's a lot of money to be made. I think that was a mother and son who just was here. They pillaged our trailer, and actually we were going to take all that stuff to the dumps. Look at it, it's all clean now. Look at this. No, I don't even know what they took. Look at it.
A lot.
I know they took a lot. I don't know what. Like what?
Boxes of
Scrap,
garbage.
just thing, anything.
Said
That's
they'll
good.
find something
They're
to
good
do
to
with
bring out on the unit. Give them a call if you want, have them come get your garbage. I like them.
Yeah.
Not afraid to work. Mike, this is
It's
all
a
the baseball
plywood.
cards.
They can go in there. All right, pirates. This storage is a wrap. We got a lot of work to do. We're going to be doing a lot of research. We're going to be selling a lot of things. Me and Locker Nuts. You go to Locker Nuts channel. He has auctions on Monday nights. That's where he'll be selling it. Me, I do like auctions 7 days a week. It don't matter if it's 4 in the morning or 4 in the afternoon. You never know. I don't go during his time. That's the only time I won't go. But other than that, I'm live all the time. So I'll probably can catch me. I think we got close to like 20 grand in here, all cumulatively.
I think we will.
After we piece everything out, we got that violin.
Yeah.
Violin. We got some books that who knows the value in the books. We got stamps, and we could have just one thing. We don't know because there's so much research to do. What was your favorite thing we found?
I like the police badge, but I know that's not big money, but that was cool.
That is cool. That's like $300-400 badge. We have one baseball card I think that we should actually get graded. Might be $2,000 or $3,000 if we get it graded. A lot of good stuff. It's so much to even talk about.
It really is.
We're gonna make it rain.
I think we did.
Don't forget the like button, share button, subscribe, and go check out his channel.
Locking it.
We're almost time to leave now. We gotta wait 15 minutes for Jack to get his tripod mic boom set up, taken apart, so then we'll be done. Does Jana come in the SUV and bring this thing home or what? How's this work?
Flatbed into the truck.
That ain't even right. You guys aren't even right.
No end to the grease.
I'd like to.
Dudes, I ain't got much left there.
I'd like to see you go sweet talk to the guys that work here and do an extra day. Flirt with them a little bit, Uncle Mike. I'm like, do you have any idea how much smack this guy talks on a regular basis? You have any idea? That's all I heard on the way here, you know? I'm probably listening on the way back. I don't film that. He waits till the camera's off to talk his smack. That's what his trick is. And then he plays the victim.
I did my side jacket, just done correctly.
Oh, that's fine.
I did my side jackets done correctly. This is the side that's gonna come off, Jack, right here. Uncle Michael, all you did was sprinkle dust. You went through the unit and you threw it.
Exactly what I did. Sprinkled
Yeah.
it. This is clothes was clean when I got up this morning. Let's go home.
Let's go home.
Jack, what time tomorrow? You got church?
I'll go in the flea market tomorrow.
We're gonna get this trailer empty so we're ready to love Monday.
I'll be at the flea market in the morning. I'll see you there.
Okay, you gonna go picking?
You damn skipping. I'm a picking fool.